Stitch in Heaven friends. My name is Debbie and I'm with Stitch in Heaven Block of the Month headquarters here. Today I'm going to feature one of our June Block of the Month programs. It is Butterscotch Baskets. This beautiful quilt is designed by Lynn Wilder of Sewin' Wild Oaks. It is a 12-month program, and this quilt, when completed, will be 76 by 93 inches. Again, it is a 12-month program. This quilt is basically featuring 3 classic blocks. It'll be the Ohio Star, the pinwheel block, and the, of course, basket block. So as you can see here, we've got all these beautiful fabrics, lots of variety here. There'll be lots of different colors. The first month 1 through 5, you'll be creating the Ohio Star block. In months 6 through 7, it'll be the pinwheel block with the setting triangles. And then in month 8 through 10, it'll be the basket block. So included in your first month Block of the Month program, we have the pattern, and it's a beautiful laid out pattern, lots of beautiful colors reflecting the colorful quilt. You have all the instructions that you need to create this quilt, general information on the first page, and then detailed information on how to create all the 3 different styled blocks, your Ohio Star, pinwheel, and your basket block. So that will be included in your month 1. You'll also have an assortment of fabrics to create your Ohio block. As you can see, we've got lots of fabrics, all different sizes here. And then also we have a beautiful welcome letter that gives you basic information with regards to your block of the month. We have information regarding the time of the month that it bills out. It's the 20th of every month. It is, again, a 12-month program. And if you open it up inside, you'll see this beautiful quilt on the one side. And then we have various links of information that are definitely what you'll want to access as well. We have our Facebook group, and we encourage all of our customers to click on that link, that QR code there, and sign up for the Block of the Month. This is a wonderful way to get to know others that are also doing this quilt. You'll be able to get tips and tricks and all sorts of different ideas to help you along this journey. You'll also be able to post pictures. It's so much fun to see all the different pictures that others who are quilting with you posting as well. You also have a QR code for your fabric key and one to subscribe to our newsletter. We also have information to update your address and your billing information. And then on the back, we have some customer service store information as well. So again, thank you so much for joining me today, and we look forward to seeing you on the Facebook group. And please, if you have any questions or anything that you need help with, we're always here to assist any way that we can. Have a wonderful day.